welcome to my channel Daniel R in Dublin. I decided to do some quick shopping in Carrickmines shopping center and maybe later bigger shopping in IKEA, and I'm taking you with me. The most important thing what I want to buy is the stuff to clean my window and mirror in a car, because it's lots of rain all the time and actually the rain stick to my windows and it's very difficult to drive. And I did some quick research what I can buy to just don't have this issue anymore. And I talked with my friends and they just recommend me one product, and I'm going to Halford. Halford is a shop where you have everything for the car, for bicycles, stuff like that, and I'm going there to buy it. Okay, shopping done in Halford. I bought some products, hopefully they will work. I have this stuff, this one, and this one. Okay, I don't know if it's good or not. I found on YouTube some reviews about this. They have it, I have it, it's okay, I will try, hopefully it's working. For sure will be better than it's right now. Halford is a type of shop what I don't like to go, because I'm driving a lot, but I'm absolutely no car freak. I don't want to know, and I don't know anything about the cars, and car is for driving, not for carrying, cleaning and enjoying. But definitely driving with this super heavy rain is very difficult for me, why I decided to just get something what take out the rain from my glasses. And hopefully that product will work. We will see. I'll let you know probably tomorrow. I just need to go with the car to the cleaner, and after I will put spray or whatever it is to the windows, and we will see. But that's the product what I bought in Halford. Quite fast. I just want to run as soon as possible because it's very busy, lots of people around, and I was in Harvey Norman to get the cables for my headphone because it's broken, and I was in TK Maxx to get some stuff for cleaning, like body, hair, wash, soap, whatever with the big pump, but I want something specific what I got before, and mine's finished, but I didn't find anything here. Why I just skipping, I don't want to walk around and spend more time here. It's really busy now. Okay, it's time to just back home and we start to do some cooking. Unfortunately, will be lots of mess, but I prepare some meat already, and I want to try my pan from Kitchen ID what I showed you last time. Okay, let's do it. I'm at home already. We do quick unboxing, if I can say unboxing, of my new pan from Kitchen ID. That's the pan I bought in TK Maxx for 39.99. Was like 90 euro for this pan. And what is good about the Kitchen ID, the quality of the products are absolutely stunning. And this pan is actually for all the induction and any fancy ovens what we can have at home. I have an induction and actually lots of pots not really working, or if they're working very slow. Why I presume that will work super amazing. And also this pan is grill pan. Why I can't wait to try my chicken on this green pan. I expect it will be nice brown, beautiful final effect. It's even small book with the instruction how to use the pan. Very interesting. Guys, in my kitchen station, if you can see, I have some few new fridge magnets. You can watch previous videos from the Galway or from Kilmore Key, and this I got as a present from Breslau. Beautiful one. And also on my working table for the moment I have some beautiful Spanish salt and some smoky paprika. And I have a gold salt as well. I have some olive oil from TK Maxx as well, and beautiful container for the butter. Lovely, it's ceramic. I love it. I love the color and the design is very French style, and that's what I really need for the butter. Before I keep my butter in a container from IKEA, but I prefer this one just because it's not transparent and the butter can stay much longer. Okay, let's do some frying. I will just wash this pan very well and I come back to you very shortly and we start do some food. Okay, how you can see, my chicken is already with marinade. I think I show many times how I do marinade for the chicken. I don't like chicken because it's dry, or I'm cooking it in the water with some bouillon to have a flavor and have a like wet consistency inside, or I'm just leaving with buttermilk. How I do the marinade for the chicken, it's just the spices, whatever you like. I have a curry, smoky paprika, some salt and pepper, and I put buttermilk. I mix everything very well and I put chicken on it. That was made yesterday. That means will be beautiful, nice marinade. And I'm just waiting when pan will be hot and I start frying. Smell, it's absolutely amazing just because of the spices, and I just changed the place on my cooker because this is little too small and have just the middle part on. I just put on a bigger one and I'm waiting for the result. I'm really curious how this will look like. And also I just want to show you, I think I showed this already on one of the vlogs, my glasses with double glasses. Love it. It's 530 milliliters. They are super huge. I love hot drinks. I saw already few YouTuber and Instagrammer bought something similar, what was really funny for me. Like curious, when I'm checking statistics for my channel, 82% of my people who watching me are not my subscriber. I love it. If you don't subscribe me, please do. It's helpful for my channel and make my statistics stronger. It's just one button. You watching me all the time, why you don't want just support me? Or maybe you don't want to support me, why you just watching me because you're curious what I'm doing. That's something as well. Okay guys, this is getting hotter and getting nicer smell. It's super amazing. Okay, this what I see is absolutely amazing. I have an amazing, beautiful char grilled chicken. Looks so good, smells so good. I just waiting when the bottom will be ready, and I have an absolutely stunning chicken. I love it. For the moment, I just love it, and I have some idea how I will serve that, but that will be second part. Now I just want to finish my char grilled chicken because I think I can say like that now. I have a beautiful grilled chicken. I'm just finishing last part right now. I just need to wait a while until this will be cooled down, and I prepare some, let me see what I have. Okay, I will do some tomato salsa and some baguettes, warm baguettes with butter, tomato salsa and chicken on the top. I need to cool down char grilled chicken little bit more because it's still warm, and I want to cut this for the strips. And I see that I have a tomato, I have avocado, and I will do my tomato avocado salsa, my favorite one. I make million times. You can see my previous video when I show you the full recipe. Now I will just cut everything very fast because I'm very hungry, and the smell of the chicken is so amazing, and I want to finish this meal as soon as possible. I found in my fridge some asparagus. I don't remember I bought it, but I have. But I need to cook them just a little bit, like blanch with the hot water, and after I will use my grill pan one more time just to see the result and make my food more luxury. My avocado and tomato salsa almost ready. Char grilled chicken ready, absolutely stunning. I cut it already, smell it's amazing, taste is amazing because of course I ate few pieces already. Okay, water is boiling. I will just blanch my asparagus and I will continue cooking. How you can see, 3 components ready. I have a char grilled chicken, I have some asparagus fried with some onion and chili, and I have avocado tomato salsa. I just need to wait until the chicken and asparagus will be cool down because they are very hot and steamy. I don't want to do anything with this right now. And also I want to go to IKEA, and I'm going now because it's already 2 o'clock and I want to go before the heaviest traffic. That means I'm leaving this, and when I back from shopping I will show you the result. I show you result now because I don't want to mix with IKEA, but that will be the first part. On the way to IKEA I decided to back home because traffic is crazy. Kids back to school and traffic is absolutely crazy and ridiculous everywhere. I don't want to lose time to stay in the traffic. I can go tomorrow or other day early morning when everybody's sleeping and just go there and do the shopping. That was just mad. Like 20 minutes on motorway, just motorway is completely stuck. Why? I don't need anything from IKEA anymore. Because I'm not going to IKEA because of the traffic and lots of people everywhere, I decided to do something, and I want to try the product what I bought for my car, for my windows. I'm on the car service right now to first wash my car completely. After I will drive like 20-30 kilometers to make sure everything is super dry. I have some paper towel, I have my products, and I will stay on another petrol station and I will do the deep cleaning of my windows, inside and outside, windows and mirrors with all this products what I bought, and we will see what result I can have. I can wait to see it, and I think will be, well, whatever's happened for sure will be better than it is right now. My car is super clean and shining like a diamond. Mostly the windows and mirrors and lamps. The product looks really cool. Actually, I don't know how it's explained, but actually it's very smooth, and when you're touching the glass, it's very sleepy, and I think that's the reason why water just flowing and not staying on the window. We will see how this will look in practice because it's no rain right now, but I'm really excited to try it, and I love the effects right now. The screens are super clean, like crystal clean, and I love it. It was a really good day. I did lots of good things and I'm really happy with that. I have a lot of energy, and with the speed I did a lot. Tomorrow will be totally resting day. Thank you very much for spending this time with me. Have a great evening and see you shortly in another vlog.